Good morning, guys. Part two. Well, I shouldn't say good morning. Good afternoon. It's about 12 o'clock now. They started pulling us in about 1:45, and they're just pulling us in. Usually, a lot of times they'll make you like pull 10 rigs out and then they'll stop, but they just must have pulled in about 25 rigs already. And so it's cloudy out this morning, and but it's warm. It's like 70 degrees. We might get a sprinkle today, but after today, the weather looks like really, really nice. It's gonna be a real nice week for racing. And let's see how the parking goes. You know, I know there's a lot of talk about, not a lot, but some talk about the Thursday. You know, they speeded up the schedule and everything like that. But as you can see, there's just a ton of rigs here already. So I don't know if it was that big of a deal. I guess some people, you know, some people are upset about it, but I mean, there's so many rigs here already. Yeah, go figure. How you doing?
You know where you're going?
Stock, yeah, on the other side over here. Yeah. Oh, there he is. There's my buddy. I hope he's in a good mood.
Stacey, you guys need to park you around. Okay, come on.
Dan's coming with 2 rigs, him and his son, with 2 cars. It's 2 separate. His motorhome, a trailer, which is like 75 feet, and then Dan's trailer. So if you have something, you don't, whatever's easy for you, Dan. I'm not picky.
You want to be just close to him then?
Yeah, just don't have to be on top of him, just anything if I'm near him, that's all.
I think they only saved him one spot.
Oh, okay. I don't need...
The second rig, is it like a pickup and trailer?
No, it's a motorhome. It's like 74 feet long. So I don't have to be close to them. Wherever he can fit me, just fine. Wherever you can go, Dan.
Well, no, he usually is on this end of that back row.
Right, yes.
So, you know, only kept him one spot. Let's go back there. I'm going to look.
Okay, all right.
If there's only one spot, I'm going to move everything over here.
Okay, all right.
Okay?
Yep. Thanks, sir. All right, that was painless. Is Dan parking us? Always good to see Dan. Dan gives me a smile, and he looks like he's in a good mood, so it's all good. And it doesn't really matter. I told him, park me wherever you want, Dan. I know it can be a pain. I mean, as you guys can see to my right, there is plenty. We don't have a lot of rigs coming here, but that doesn't mean you just can't put them anywhere. You got to put them in the right spot. So, and let's see where Dan's got me. All right, Dan's got us a nice spot over here. And I'm gonna just mark stuff off for Fletcher, and we'll be good. That's good, guys, and we'll be back in a bit. That parking was easy. All right, guys, let's go for a ride. Now, there's not a lot of rigs here. Well, there is and there isn't. You know, there's a lot more coming in tomorrow. You'll see there's so many spots still open. So let's just cruise around, see who we can find. If we can find anybody, and then I'll just, you guys have seen this before, but I'm gonna do it anyway, because it's what I do. Bunch of super stockers, Warner Brothers. Nick with the CUDA, Barracuda. Nice to see Mickey Willie's car back out. Yeah, and it's got a stick in it. 396 with a stick. How about that? Yeah, this is our, if you guys coming in late, you want to know where the registration trailer is? Right here at the end of the track. Let's roll by it. See if there's anybody here we know. Yeah, we do. But we're not going to say hello. Oh, so let's go this way. Yeah, oh, they're just cleaning everything. The Huntsberries? 2 cars, I guess. Mr. Alvey, he put his car away, though. I guess Dan Fletcher will be parking here with his son. As you guys can see, there's a lot of spots still left, so you won't, I think they'll be able to fit everybody on this side, but I know some guys like to park on the other side. Maybe we'll cruise to the other side, too. Some guys like to park against the fence. That's a nice rig. I don't think I've ever seen that one. Probably been here, but we're only right down that way. Let's go down this way. We'll roll over here. This has got to be Victor, because Victor's stuff is always tight. Man, this stuff is looking good. Victor K. Nazi. That's definitely his rig. Yeah, no doubt. Nice Corvette. Yeah, not much to see, guys. I guess I could do this tomorrow. It was Moorhead. Damn it. I'm sorry, guys. I can't even believe I mistake Ronnie's car for Don Schubert's car. It just seemed like a glimpse of the cars. Yeah, triple axle, motorhome, I wasn't sure, but whatever. Yeah, let's shoot down the next row. Alcohol. This is where all the alcohol cars go. I'm pretty positive anyway. And I show you where some of the other sportsman cars are. And here's our fearless parking crew. Dan and I hope I don't get his name wrong. I think it's Mike, but we'll see. We'll just give Dan's face. Let's see. Let's go down this way. They look busy. I was going to say hello to Dan, but I've been saying hello to him all day. Okay, Mr. Roberts. And Mr. Foley. Mr. Marshall. Oh, no more pickup, huh? Okay, Mr. Marshall number 1. I believe this is Ronnie Urquhart's rig. Yes, it is. I wonder where Sterling is. Gonna have to ask him. Where is Mr. Simmons? I'll ask him. We'll be back in a second. Okay, we're back. I just wanted to talk to Ronnie and find out why Sterling wasn't here. Now, Sterling will probably be watching this video. So if you were watching this video, Mr. Simmons, you pulled out because of weather. You made a mistake, bud. It's going to be absolutely beautiful. It's an easy ride. I know it's a little bit, longer than maybe you want, but it's an easy ride down 85. Anyway, I won't bust your balls too much, but the weather's supposed to be beautiful, and I guess we'll see it in Virginia. So let's roll down here, find out what's going on. Yeah, I'm a little. I don't understand it. I might mention it in the post, but I'm also going to talk about. Whoa, we're going underneath the track, guys. I might mention it, but I'll mention it right now. I noticed a lot of cars dropping out, and I don't. Was it the weather, guys? I don't know if it's the weather. Yeah, I guess if you're traveling from afar. Yeah, let's go. This is usually the top dragsters park over here. So, yeah, let's take a look. You know what? Let's take a quick ride, and I'll just kind of speed this up. We'll shoot by the top sportsman cars, and then we'll take a ride towards the staging lanes, and we'll cut across. We'll show you what the track looks like for you guys who haven't seen the track. Okay, guys, we are on the right side of the track. Top sportsman, comp, super comp, not comp, super comp, but here's the track, guys. So this is the right side of the track, and from what I can tell, we'll be in lane 1 and 2, which will be, I'm pretty sure this is lane 1 and 2. I think this is where we're gonna be right here. Yeah, so this is it, guys. The track, all by myself, on the racetrack. You guys get a look at it. They're out there checking things out. I don't know what he's doing out there, but there is somebody out there. We start at 12 o'clock tomorrow. Yeah, I like this track. It's a nice facility. Bruton Smith does a good job. And this is the left side of the staging lanes, and which is the most popular side. It's kind of crazy when we have to pair up from side to side, but it's just the way it is. All right, guys, I guess that's it. What's this here? I don't know what this is. Strange that they're parked over there, but that's where they're parked. Anyway, that's it, guys. I don't know how many more videos I'll have. I'll have inner lanes with stock and inner lanes with super stock. If all goes well, I will do a stock in the lanes, because I'll be I won't make a second run. If the first run is good, I won't make a second run, so I can get some photos, do in the lanes. Hopefully I can. It's going to be tough because I'm going to miss some cars, but you know, when there's only 50 and 48, it's going to go really, really fast. So, but just look for them. I'll have in the lanes with stock and super stock, and maybe if I can get it time, I can do an in-car video. I haven't done one in a while, but I'll do my best. And with that, man, I love this stuff. Is the scrappers, but I like the way that rig is set up. Sits on the ground, takes the oil air out. Nice. All right, guys. Later.